Let's talk about cardio in mixed martial arts. I am Dr. Capo and I work with many athletes in the UFC roster. One of them, Jacqueline Amorim, managed to take home her first UFC win, but a few months ago she lost her UFC debut via unanimous decision. And I read many messages from people saying she was lacking in cardio, she should have trained harder, but let's set the record straight. What we informally refer as cardio in MMA is not a direct display of aerobic capacity, but rather a mix of factors that are hard to replicate in the training room. Jackie won and retained the LFA belt before signing with the UFC for a combined time of only 8 minutes in the octagon. It's not infrequent in these cases with athletes making their UFC debut that they fight a very intense first round, but they forget about the importance of breathing and they will lose the fight because they fade in the second and in the third. Our transformation in 4 months was not about piling on aerobic sessions. Instead, we honed breathing techniques and mental control, accepting the fact that building experience takes time. So for athletes approaching big stages, I would suggest practicing proper breathing and consult with a sports psychologist. And there is no need to unnecessarily increase training volume with the risk of being overtrained at the time of the fight. If you have that teammate that is always pushing in the gym but is struggling to transfer that to the cage, send them this video. I am sure it's gonna help.